Good morning, students. Later here we discuss about our new topic, sex chromosome mechanism of sex determination. In sex determination, we have to know about autosome and sex chromosome. Means in organisms where two sexes are distinct, certain chromosomes, usually one or two in a diploid cell, differ from the rest in staining reaction and behavior during cell division. Means these chromosomes determine the sex of an individual. It is called sex chromosomes, and the rest of the chromosomes are said to be autosomes. Means like in human being there is 23 pair of chromosomes, and in there from them one is sex chromosome and rest of 22 chromosome are autosomal chromosome. Okay, so in diploid organisms there are 2n minus 2 chromosome and 2 sex chromosomes. In certain like insect like grasshopper, roundworm, female have 2 sex or X chromosome, while male have only one, and thus female and distinct means XX and male XO. In human other mammal, most insect like Drosophila, fruit flies, and many plant, female have 2 X chromosome, where male have only one X chromosome, which are morphologically distinct Y chromosome XY. So Y chromosome through different in size and shape pair with X during meiosis. Thus female are XX and male are XY. Since male produce two type of gametes, X or O in exotype and X or Y in XY type. They are said to be heterogametic female or homogametic, producing only one type of gamete with an X chromosome. Okay, so means uh, finalization of sex at the time of zygote formation is called sex determination, and two types of chromosome are present in individual are sex chromosome, which determine the means sex of individual and autosomes. Okay, so as you see in your slide that there is the determination, we have to divide into two parts, male heterogamety, okay, and female heterogamety. So male produce different type of gamete in term of the sex chromosome like XX, XY and XX exotype, and in female heterogamety, female produce different type of gamete in term of sex chromosome. That one is ZZ, ZW type and ZZ, ZO type. Okay, so these are a mechanism of sex determination. So sex determination is deal with the study of factors which are responsible for making an individual male and female or a hermaphrodite. Both biologists and non-biologists were puzzled for long the riddle that what determines the sex of an offspring. In 1891, Hanking traced a specific nuclear structure all through spermatogenesis in some insect, and he observed that 50% of the sperm received this structure after spermatogenesis, where the other 50% sperm did not receive it. So Hanking called this structure as X body, but unable to explain its significance. Later, it was found that X body of Hanking was in a pact of chromosome, and that is why it was given the name X chromosome. Okay, so due to the involvement of the X chromosome in the determination of sex, it was designed as sex chromosome, and the rest of the chromosome was named as autosome. Okay, so this is just introduction about sex determination. Here it is seen in many insect and mammals including human and Drosophila melongister. Okay, so male have X and Y, okay, and chromosome along with the autosome A, and female have a pair of X chromosome. So like parents have XY and male have XY and female is XX, and now it gamete formation, during gamete formation it is A plus X and A plus Y and A plus X, three gametes are formed, and when we cross these with each other, the progeny of female with XX and the male with XY. Okay, so this is XX and XY type of chromosome determined sex chromosome of mammals like human being and Drosophila and also many other insects. Okay, now next one, this is the XXXO type and this is seen in grasshopper. Okay, means if you have a question from sex chromosome and there is determined XX and XO sex, so you suddenly just quickly answer that it is seen in grasshopper. So male have only one X chromosome beside autosome and female have a pair of X chromosome. As you seen there, female is AA plus XX and the male is AA plus XO. Okay. Now next one, this is ZZ and ZW types. Okay, so this seen in birds, fowls and fishes. In seen means female have one Z and one W chromosome, then male have a pair of Z chromosome. Okay, so how you identify that is male or female? If there is ZZ progeny, you identify it male, and if there is ZW, that you identify female. Means AA is autosomal and ZZ is sex chromosome. As the same female, AA is autosomal and ZW is female. Okay, and last but not least, ZO and ZZ type. These type of chromosome are found in or seen in cockroaches. Means female have only one Z chromosome beside the autosome and the male have pair of Z chromosome. So if you have there is progeny with AA plus ZZ, you suddenly identify that it is cockroach male, and if there is AA plus ZO, you suddenly just recognize that it is female cockroach. Okay, so this is all about the sex determination different. You have lots of questions arising from there. You have to be board will give you some questions from genes with XX, XY, XO. You just identify that and answer them. Okay, so if you talk about sex determination in humans, so humans show that XY type of sex determining mechanism, and out of 23 pair of chromosomes, 22 are autosome, same in both and female and female, and female have a pair of X chromosome where male have X and Y chromosome. So during spermatogenesis, male produce two type of gamete with equal probability, sperm carrying either X or Y chromosome. During oogenesis, the female produce only one type of gamete having X chromosome, and an ovum fertilized by the sperm carrying X chromosome develop into a female like XX, and the ovum fertilized by the sperm carrying Y chromosome develop into a male X1. Okay, so this is all about sex determination. Please make notes of it, and if have any query, please contact or message that what type of problem you faces. Okay, thank you.